Hello to all. My name is Samiksha Godalkar. I am assistant professor in SND College of Engineering, Yeola. We see the sensor technologies. In today's video lecture, we see the force sensing, metal foil strain gauge based load cell, low frequency response, high load rating, resolution lower than piezoelectricity based, rock typically big size, heavy weight, force sensing, the piezoelectricity based force sensor, lower cutoff frequency at 0.01 Hz cannot be used for static load measurement. Good in high frequency, high resolution. Limited operating temperature cannot be used for high temperature applications. Compact size, light. Second, we see the displacement sensing. In displacement sensing, LVDT linear variable differential transformer, inductance based actomechanical sensor, infinite resolution, limited by external electronics, limited frequency bandwidth, 250 Hz, typical for DC to LVDT, 500 Hz for AC to LVDT, no contact between the moving core and coil structure, no friction, no wear, very long operating lifetime, accuracy limited mostly by linearity 0.1% to 1%, models with strokes from mm to 1 m available, linear potentiometer, resolution infinite, high frequency bandwidth greater than 10 kHz, fast response speed, velocity up to 2.5 milli per second, low cost, finite operating life 2 million cycles, accuracy plus or minus 0.01%, minus 3% FSO, operating temperature 55 to 125 degrees Celsius. Displacement sensing. Next is displacement transducer, magnetostrictive linear displacement transducer, exceptional performance for long stroke position measurement up to 3 meter. Operation is based on accurately measuring the distance from a predetermined point to a magnetic field produced by a movable permanent magnet. Repeatability up to 0.002% of the measurement range, resolution up to 0.002% of full scale range, relatively low frequency bandwidth minus 3 dB at 100 Hz, very expensive, operating temperature is 0 to 70 degrees Celsius. Displacement sensing, differential variable reluctance transducer, relatively short stroke, high resolution, non contact between the measured object sensor, types of construction, standard tubular fixing, types of construction, fixing mode, standard tubular by 8 mm diameter, total measuring range 2 mm, pneumatic retraction, standard tubular, no repeatability 0.1 micrometer, operating temperature limits minus 10 to plus 65 degrees Celsius, velocity sensing, scanning laser, vibrometry, no physical contact with the test object, facilitate remote mass loading free vibration measurements on targets, measuring velocity, translational or angular automated scanning measurement with fast scanning speed, however very expensive, laser vibrometry. References are structural health monitoring using scanning laser vibrometry by L. Mallet, Smart Materials and Structures. The technical note entitled Principle of Vibrometry from Polytech. Shock Hygiene Sensing. The shock pressure sensor, measurement range up to 69 MPa. High response speed, high frequency bandwidth, operating temperature light. Shock accelerometer, measurement range up to plus or minus 70,000 G. Frequency bandwidth typically from 0.5 to 30 kHz at minus 3 dB. Operating temperature minus 40 to 80 degrees Celsius. Lightweight 5G. Angular motion sensing. Tiltmeter. Inertial gyroscope used to measure angular rates and x, y and z acceleration. Tilt sensor, inclinometer. Tilt sensors and inclinometer generate an artificial horizon and measure angular tilt with respect to this horizon. MEMS technology. What is MEMS? Acronym for micro electromechanical systems. MEMS is the name given to the practice of making and combining miniaturized mechanical and electrical components. Synonym to micro machines. Microsystem technology. Leverage on existing IC based fabrication techniques. Extend to other non-IC technologies. Potential for low cost through batch fabrication. Thousands of MEMS devices. MEMS technology, co-location of sensing, computing, actuating, control, communication and power on a small chip size device, high spatial functionality and fast response speed, very high precision in manufacture, miniaturized components improve response speed and reduce power consumption. MEMS fabrication technique. Thicker films, deeper etches, fewer steps is given to the deposition of material. Output is pattern transformer. Removal of material. Output is given to the input. Multiple processing cycles. Removal of underlying materials to release mechanical structures. Probe testing. Output is given to the sectioning. Individual die. Assembly into package. Package seal. Final test. Distinctive features of MEMS devices. Miniaturization. Micro machines can handle micro objects and move freely in small spaces. Multiplicity. Cooperative work from many small micro machines may be best way to perform a large task. Inexpensive to make many machines in parallel. Microelectronics integrate microelectronic control devices with sensor and actuators. MEMS accelerometer. Capacitive MEMS accelerometer. High precision dual axis acceleration with a signal condition voltage output on a single monitoring IC. These are the features of MEMS accelerometer. The piezoresistive MEMS accelerometer is operating principle: a proof mass attached to a silicon housing through a short flexural element. The implantation of a piezoresistive material on the upper surface of the flexural element. The strain experienced by a piezoresistive material causes a position change of its internal atoms, resulting in the change of its electrical resistance. Low noise property at high frequencies. MEMS dust. MEMS dust here has the same scale as a single dandelion seed, something so small and light that it literally floats. The sensing system references are Zheng R and Icton E. Design consideration for sensing systems to ensure data quality, sensing issues in structural health monitoring. Thank you.